Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. At Conicelli Toyota Service Center, May is all about value, protection, and keeping your car in tip-top shape without breaking the bank. Start with Toyota Service Care. Just $275. It covers oil changes, tire rotations, multi-point inspections, and more. Prepaid, easy, and worry-free. Got more work to do? We got you covered. The more you spend and the more you save. You can get up to $100 off the same-day service. It's an easy way to save some cash on those more costly repairs. Just need routine maintenance? Our oil change and tire rotation specials start at only $89.95. Quick, affordable, and done right. And here's a deal you won't want to miss. Buy one wiper blade, get the other one free. Rainy days never look so clear. These specials are only here for May, so don't wait. Schedule your appointment at ConicelliService.com or simply call 888-289-5948 today. Conicelli Toyota Service Center, a nice place to do business.